The Simpson MegaShot gas pressure washer fueled by a Honda GC190 engine boasting 3,200 psi and 2.5 gallons per minute output, it adeptly addresses demanding dirt and grime. Suitable for various surfaces, I've used it for decks, patios, and furniture with favorable results. Its maneuverability is enhanced by its 66-pound weight, ensuring ease of transportation. Additionally, it offers a 25-foot hose, 5 distinct nozzles, and a comfortable spray gun, catering to diverse cleaning needs. Durability is ensured through its robust steel frame construction. Optimal usage entails commencing with the lowest pressure setting, progressing judiciously, and exercising caution around delicate materials. Thoroughly rinsing post-use is recommended for maintenance. This pressure washer streamlines the cleaning process significantly. It's akin to having a competent companion for tackling cleaning tasks. I recommend considering its capabilities for your cleaning endeavors. Best features of this item. It delivers 3,200 psi and 2.5 GPM for tough dirt. Weighs 66 pounds, easy to move. It consists of 25-foot hose, 5 nozzle tips, comfy spray gun. Welded steel frame, powder-coated finish for long life. Pros of this item. High pressure ensures thorough cleaning. Accessories for various surfaces. Light, ergonomic, quick connect nozzles. Strong build guarantees reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.